Okay, today our topic is addition of mixed numbers with different denominators. Addition of mixed numbers with different denominators. Now, when you see a number like this, one whole number, 3/5, that is a mixed number. Or two whole number, 1/2, that's what we call a mixed number. Now, it has different denominators. Now, the number down is what we call denominators, and you can see this number here and this number here is not the same, so they are different denominators. So the topic, adding two mixed fractions with different denominators. Now what do we do? How do we add these mixed fractions together? What we'll do is this. We'll first try and dissolve this mixed fraction to a proper fraction, to an improper fraction, and then we start the resolving. So here you say 5 times 1 is what? 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So you say 8/5. Let's do the same here. Write your addition sign. Here you say 2 times 2. You use the denominator to multiply the whole number. 2 times 2, that's 4. 4 now plus the numerator 1. 4 plus 1, that gives you 5. Then you put it over 2. Let me explain this again. In writing, you can say 5 times this 1, which is what? 5. Then you say 5 plus the numerator 3, which is what? 8. That is how we come across this 8. And you must put over 5. Don't forget it's a fraction. Now the same way you can do this too. 2 times this 2, which is what? 4. Then 4 plus the numerator 1, which is 5. That's how we get this 5 over the denominator here. Now that we've gotten the improper fraction, now we start solving. You draw a big line here and then find the common factors to 5 and 2. What is the common factor to 5 and 2? You can just say 5 times 2 and that gives you 10. Now you say 5 in 10. How many 5 would you see in 10? You see 2. 2 times 8 gives you what? 16. Put your plus sign. Then you say 2. How many 2 will you find in 10? That's 5. 5 times 5 will give us what? 25. Now, you add these ones up together. You say 25 plus 16. That's 5 plus 6, 11. Carry 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 41/10. Now, if you want to change this to a mixed fraction, what do? How many 10 will you see in 41? You will see 4 10 in 41. It will remain 1/10. You can leave it like this. So this is how you get your answer. Let me explain again from here. You find the common factors is 5 and 2, which is 10. 5 in 10, 2. 2 times 8, 16. How many 2 will you see in 10? 5. 5 times 5, 25. You add it together and divide by 10. And then you can change this fraction to your mixed fraction. Now I'd like us to do this number 2, which is, please don't mix it up. This is separate. So here we have 5 whole number 1/3 plus 6 whole number 2/5. What do we do here? Change it to an improper fraction. You say 3 times 5 is what? 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1, 16/3 plus 5 times 6 is what? 30. 30 times 2, that's 32/5. Now you look out for the common factor, What's the common factor of 3 and 5? That's 15. Now, how many 3 will you see in 15? We have 5. 5 3 in 15. Now, 5 times 16. You can do that here. 16 times 5. 5 times 6, 30. We'll put your 3 here. 5 times 1, 5 plus 3, that gives you 8. So we have 80 plus, how many 5 will you say in 15? 3. 3 times 32, what do we do? 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. So we have 96. Now you had 80 plus 96 together. What do you have? 6. And here this gives us 17. So you say 176 over 15. Now you can decide to divide this into, to make this into a fraction, okay, to mix number. So you ask, how many 15 will you see in 17? 1. It will remain 2. Put your 2 near your 6 and that gives you 26. How many 15 will you see in 26? It's still going to be what? 1, right? So you have 11 whole number. So what will be left, you can just say 26 minus 15, because it's 1, you could find in 26. That will be left with what? With 9. I hope I'm correct. Look at it. 6 minus, okay, no. 6 minus 5 is what? 1. 1 minus 1, okay, so we have 11. So 11 whole number, 11 over 15. So this is how you get your answer, changing it to a mixed number.